Welcome back to LearnWire. So I've got a special one for you today to kick this week off on a Monday. Ohanashi AI Gen is launching again. They're actually launching on JVZoo. They used to be hosted on Warrior Plus. So we're looking at Ohanashi AI Gen. This is from Ike Paz. And this is a software that will allow you to create children's storybooks very quickly, everything under one roof. They use the power of Nano Banana. I'm just going to read off some of this software, cloud-based tool that turns simple ideas into passive royalties. There's no tech, no product, no audience, just this one AI tool. Exclusive AI cloud software, built-in free buyer traffic. No need to add your API codes. You don't have to go and I'm seeing this as a huge value. You used to come in, and one of the values of getting a software or an AI content creation software, which I would put this in that category, but this one is for a very specific niche, right? For Amazon KDP publishing and so forth. You used to come in and everything was taken care of you. Then we went through maybe like over the last year where it was such a value to bring your own API key so you could control your costs. But now I kind of feel like we're kind of moving back into, hey, we're going to provide everything for you under one roof for one really good deal. It just depends on what side of the fence you're kind of on. There's different softwares for you. In this case, the API, you don't need to worry about OpenAI Key or your Gemini or your Claude or anything like that. They take care of everything for you. You purchase the software, one and done, as a true lifetime deal. And then you can go and create your storybooks depending on what kind of plan you purchase. I really like that because it's new. You don't have to mess with techie stuff. So I really like that as a bonus and a way that they built the software. There's no reoccurring fees ever. So you're not paying monthly for this. You're just paying one time, a true lifetime deal. It uses Nano Banana, which is arguably the best AI image creation software. Most people put it ahead of like ChatGPT's or OpenAI's image generation capabilities. So you're using Nano Banana, which Google has created. No need for email lists or websites from a marketing standpoint. You create your books, publish them on Amazon, and make money. As simple as that. And they have full case studies. They have a ton of people that have already, screenshots. Ike Paz is arguably the top creator in this space when it comes to low content publishing, coloring books and children's story books and just all kinds of stuff like that. If that is what you're interested in, you can plug into this kind of ecosystem and start this as an online business. I really recommend this. If you've been trying different things online and you're not getting success and you need a business strategy that you're not going to become rich overnight, that's not going to happen in this niche. But if you learn the ropes and you actually go after quality, I personally think you should go after quality today and not quantity. If you go after quantity, you start firing away, you're probably going to get your account banned on Amazon. There are plenty of people that are getting massive success. There is somebody in Chris Derenberger's Facebook group that is consistently making $2,000 per month, and they just started 6 months ago. It is possible, but you want to make sure you put in the time necessary. You want to make sure the content, it doesn't read AI, it sounds human. Like you want to take your time. Only publish a couple books, a few books per week. I wouldn't. The days of publishing multiple books per day, every single day, in my opinion, are kind of over. Amazon's put a lot of things in place to and then they recently even changed how many books you're allowed to publish. I think it's just a few books per week now. So they tried the 3 books per day. It used to be, like 15 or 20 books a day. For a long time, it was 3 books per day. And now it's just a few books per week. You want quality, which is good. Millions of books are being uploaded and people's accounts are getting banned. We've reached a time now where it really needs to be good. This tool can help you create your book very quickly. Here's all the proof, the screenshots. You can look at what you can do inside the software. This is the launch. It's Ohanashi AI Gen. This did launch about 3 months ago, and I have a couple of videos. I have a full review for this software on my channel from a few months ago and a follow-up video as well. You can watch those videos. I will leave those in the links below. I do want to offer a bonus right here. I put together for January 19th, 2026. So this is fresh. I've got a bonus keyword research, a niche research training, proof of income, selling books. You'd get access to these 2 bonuses. And then I'm giving you my ebook Writer AI bonus because this shows you inside of another account that's not Amazon and shows you the potential of another platform that you can publish books on and start building your publishing empire. And I'm making money every single month. In fact, I just got paid from PayPal directly from this company again, and it's been years years, like 4 years since I published on the platform, still making money every single month. I actually show you how to do research and come up with book topics and so forth. And so these are helpful bonus trainings. You can see I have almost 300 views on my bonus training video. These aren't just fly by night. You can actually see money coming in every single month. And this is a 20-minute video, right? And you can see we have some top creators in the niche that you guys probably know have been doing this for like the last 10 plus years. Rebecca Hallman wrote some really nice things right there as well. You get AI prompts inside this bonus. So really good stuff. That's one of the bonuses. And you have another bonus right over here where I tell you the different strategies for doing keyword research, finding book topics and everything. This is a 26-minute bonus video training that you get access to as well. So why are they relaunching this way? Why relaunch a few months later? One thing, it went from a $27 price tag when they launched, and then they do true, like scarcity only works when you say that you're going to change a price and the launch is only 7 days and then the price actually changes. That's what happened. The price absolutely went up. It went from $27 to $97 and it's been sitting at $97 for the last 3 months. So think of this as if Koala AI, they come out with their Black Friday deal. It's the best time of year to buy their software. So that's all this is. They're putting the software on sale right now and giving everybody the opportunity to pick this up again. The everyday price was $97 before this launch. It just launched today on January 19th. Essentially, this is like a sale. They've upgraded the software and so forth. They're putting it back on sale. So this is your chance to get, this is the entry price for the starter pack. Like there's different upgrades and levels you can get. For the regular base model of this software lifetime deal, it's $97 yesterday, and today it's just $27. Okay, so that's the number one reason why they're kind of relaunching or putting this on sale. Number two is they're launching on a new platform. They launched the first time on Warrior Plus, and they're launching on JVZoo right now. And so that's probably, I don't really know the ins and outs of why they're doing that. A lot of people do move from Warrior Plus to JVZoo. When you're a software seller, a software developer, generally speaking, the internet marketing courses and strategy type products are kind of, long story short, kind of meant for Warrior Plus. And then usually you have your softwares are being sold on JVZoo. So I don't know if they're going to fully transition. It is technically available on Warrior Plus as well. I'm moving all my links over to JVZoo. This might be something that he's going to be doing for his softwares, is just moving them over to JVZoo. I believe that they have better fee rates, so less fees for sellers and buyers on the platform. So JVZoo might just be the better move. And that's kind of why they're doing it. When they're transitioning, they launch again and give everybody the opportunity to purchase the product again. Just know that when the product launch is over, the price does go back up. Pause definitely has real scarcity built in right there. When the launch is over, the price goes right back up to $97 for the starter pack. I believe it's because they launched on JVZoo as well. And then lots of updates to the software. They've added in the best tiers of Nano Banana, and the software's faster, all that kind of good stuff. Remember, if you want to pick this up, it's the first link below. You'll get my bonuses that I just showed you. You'll get access to this page right here with about 45 or 50 minutes worth of bonus training, ins and outs of how I've continued to make money every single month from books I published on a different platform like 5 years ago. So I let you into my little secret or ecosystem right there. Now, finally, I will say this. I'm going to be doing a lot less. I don't think I did very many last year. There was the Chris Derenberg's ebook writer AI. Of course, I promoted that. I promoted this software for Mike Pause, and anything it comes out with, I'll probably do a review and promote. So if you guys have been following me, like in 2025, there was only a handful of softwares that were on Warrior Plus or JVZoo that I actually promoted on this channel. Of course, I recognize that that's not what you guys really want. Now, if there is a reputable seller like Chris Derenberger or Ike Pause that I want to make sure that you guys have the opportunity to go and take a look at the software, then I'm going to put that on this channel. But generally speaking, I'm not doing a whole bunch of these software reviews from JVZoo products. So just so you know, the channel is not turning into this in any way, but when there's a good vendor and a good product, I want to let you know about that. Just a couple minutes to show you around. I'm not going to show you how to use the software because I have 2 videos below that go in depth. If you want to take a look at those, you can click on those links. The affiliate link will be in both those videos. And if you watch one of those, you can also click on that JVZoo link in those videos and you'll still get the bonuses, or you can click directly from here and go pick up the software as well. There's a masterclass on how to build your books, how to do niche research, how to turn this into an actual business that you can actually start making passive income from. This is how you go and generate a story. Obviously, you're going to go and you're going to put the age range in right there. You're going to do the language right there. You're going to put the plot outline. Obviously, you can say, give me an idea and put in here like a deer goes to the moon. You could do something like that and generate the idea. Push the generate button. It's going to generate an idea for you. A curious deer builds a rocket from scrap wood and shiny cans, and with help from forest friends travels to the moon. I mean, those are great kids stories, right? So you can use this idea. It's going to go and it's going to plug this in. Now you've got your story. You don't even have to go and do research if you don't want to. You can work on this as an idea. Your book title, you can give me an idea for your book title. Again, it's going to go in here. You're going to put in that same prompt right there, and then it's going to create the plot outline. And then I would go in here to give me an idea for a title. And I would go ahead and just put that in right there. And I would say generate idea. And it's going to go ahead and create the title, Deer's Moon Rocket Adventure. Use this idea. So now we have our title. Look at how easy it is to use the software. You can go and generate different pen names right here, but we'll stick with that. Children's book illustration. You have all kinds of different illustration types or art styles that you want. A writing style, descriptive, conversational, humorous, mysterious, all kinds of good stuff. And then you can go in here and you can actually create characters. And there's just so many settings over here, just a ton. Use Nano Banana, use Nano Banana Pro, Flex Pro. Now there's the Nano Banana Pro, I believe that's going to be on one of the upgrades. There will be a link below and a bundle. So we come down here to the very bottom. And you will see pricing. There's going to be a $27 price point, and you can create plenty of books and get plenty of good results with just the basic account. Or if you just want to just be done with it, buy into this as a business model, be done with it, get the fully loaded account right here. They have a pack that includes all the upgrades. Gemini Pro just has everything in here, and it's for $311, and you get the entire pack. Those are your pricing options. You're going to go through all that and then generate your books. I'm going to go ahead and put all these settings in here. We regenerated all the images. You set this to 0 for the preferred page count, and it'll do auto for you. Picture every page or picture every chapter. Use Nano Banana Pro right there. I'm actually going to uncheck that and use Nano Banana Pro. They do have Flex 2 Pro in there as well. Scene continuity mode right here. Let's go ahead and put that in right there as well. You can even turn off extra characters if you want to. Use Gemini 3 Pro for story text, image variations per page. I'm just going to go with that. Auto generate the book cover, include title on the cover. And then you have all the sizes that you can put in right here. And then we're going to go and generate our story. It's going to go generate, and we'll be right back. Here's all of our generated stories or characters for the story. Now, I'm not really sure if I did that right because I don't see the deer, and I think the AI is going to go ahead and create the deer, hopefully. And I think we're ready to generate the story. Now it says starting generation, please wait. And you'll be able to see right here that it is in step 2, creating story outline. You will see a status bar of where it's at in creating your story. Then you can see it's on step 3 of 4, writing all pages at once, and it just takes you out all along the way. And it's really not taking that long. It's only been a couple of minutes. We'll be right back. Here's what your story will look like when you are done creating it. So let's go and take a look at the story. You'll have your image right over here. You'll have your pages, and you'll have a bunch of different information. In this case, I did just by each chapter, I believe right here, page 12, page 9. So each chapter right over here. You can export your story into PDF, Word, or PowerPoint file, and you'll have all your settings right here to export that. All your settings for your copyright page, include chapter pages, every detail. Because Ike does this full time, every single detail he would want to automate and make easy for himself, he has added in to the software. You can change your bleed size, all that. It automatically generates that for you based on how many pages and pictures you have, and you can export your story. And let's do PDF for now, and we're going to export this story real quick. We can download the PDF, and we can go take a look at the PDF right here, and this is what it'll look like. For lead gen, marketing, you could have people scan this and go to your services, your product, or even to like a squeeze page where you could get their email address for their next book. There's all kinds of different ways that you can use the software, and you're going to have nice images with the characters. Look, there's the monkey, the turtle, and the duck. They're all the same character throughout, and they just change. So the characters stay consistent throughout the book. which is exactly what you want. So this is the software. Remember, you can get my bonuses with the first link below. Go watch the other two videos, which will be below as well. Wanted to make sure you got this information out to you. You can get the $27 or you can get the all-in-one pack right there. Just be done with it. This is an entire business in a box, and there's plenty of people that are making money from selling books on Amazon. This is Ohanashi's relaunch. Go check it out. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.